Make sure you have familiarized yourself with the instruction prior to installation. Before starting the installation, make sure you've got the HardGlass Max Full Glue, cleaning wipes, the installation frame and the spatula ready. Place your phone on a flat, preferably anti-slippery surface. Using first the wet wipe and then the dry cloth, carefully clean the phone screen. Install the frame on the phone. Peel off the protective layer from the HardGlass Max Full Glue using pad number 1. Hold the protective screen and position it in the installation frame. When the whole glass is correctly aligned, smooth it with the spatula all the way up and down the screen protector. Remove the installation frame. If you want to make the installation easier, you can use a hairdryer to warm up the glass and the glue. Thanks to that, the glass will adhere better to your screen. In order to get rid of air bubbles from the corners of the glass, raise the glass carefully and push the air out using the spatula. Repeat this activity for each lifted edge. Once the protective layer number 1 is removed, do not touch the sticky side of the glass. You can contaminate it. After the product is applied, we recommend increasing the touchscreen sensitivity in your phone settings.